So I'm going to show you how to enable or disable emergency alert notifications on your Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. So if you go into settings and then under settings, go to notifications, tap on that, and then go to advanced settings, tap on that, you will see wireless emergency alerts. So tap on that, and then you can see the option to disable or enable. Now this will disable or enable everything. Now you can leave this enabled and go ahead and disable specific emergency alerts. So if we have emergency alerts for extreme threats, severe threats, amber alerts, test alerts, and all that stuff. Okay, so you can go enabling and disabling what you don't need. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.